Good day everyone, my name is Grace S. Sungaben, BSIT FSM 2A. So our topic today is globalization. Globalization using the definition provided in the module, you may also conduct additional research, discuss both negative effect of globalization. So globalization is a process of increasing connection and interaction between people, companies, and governments worldwide. It involves the movement of goods, services, information, and culture across borders. Positive effects of globalization increases access to goods and services from around the world, encourage cultural exchange and understanding, creates job opportunities and development countries, promotes technological and knowledge sharing. Negative, negative effect of globalization can lead to job losses in some industries due to outsourcing, may harm the environment due to increased production and transport, can widen the gap between rich and poor countries, might cause loss of local cultures and tradition.